Let's take some BTSC trades because it does look like the market is ending in the green for now, comfortably around the 25,000 mark. Naresh, what will be the buy today, sell tomorrow idea?
So that would be a buy on HCL Tech, a new breakout, new all-time highs here. Stop loss at 1695, target price of 1750. Second would be a buy on M&M Finance, which is trying to make a breakout move. Stop loss at 310, target price of 325.
This week, there's actually the annual investor meet as well, which is lined up of HCL Tech. So maybe the street is expecting some sort of announcements around that. But Kunal, what's your BTSC trade?
So the first one is one Bajaj Finserv, the stock finally coming back to a breakout. We discussed this on the Chartbusters today, that how the stock is poised for a potential breakout closer to that 1700 levels. So would suggest a buy with a target of 1750 short-term wise and stop loss at 1650. And L&T Finance is something which is forming a bullish hammer pattern on the hourly charts. So would suggest a target of 176, stop loss at 165.
Okay, on that note, Kunal, Naresh, Anand, we let you go. Appreciate you making time and speaking with us. So that's the market setup right now. Managed to scale 25,000, not the fresh all-time high levels. But nonetheless, Nehi can't be complaining about the kind of momentum that we have seen, especially with the global handover.
Absolutely, Anisha. Let's take a look at how the markets have panned out today. 25,010 is where we're poised to end the day as of now. Just a few minutes left in today's trading session, but looking like we'll end above the 24,000 mark. Like Anisha said, we came really close to our all-time high, but we were not able to scale that today. Taking a look at Sensex also in tandem with Nifty, 0.7% hike coming in on that front as well. You had India Wix that was also nominally higher, but not much to worry about. Advanced decline ratio evenly distributed, but in the favor of the advances and the broader markets. Nifty mid-cap did pretty well, 0.7% hike coming in on the Nifty mid-cap. You had Nifty small-cap, however, was bucking the trend, just a 0.3% hike coming in on Nifty small-cap, but in the green nonetheless. Let's take a look at some sectoral gainers and losers in today's trading session. You have Nifty metal that has outperformed all the other sectoral indices, more than a 2% gain coming in on Nifty metal as well. Names like Nalco, SAIL, Hindalco, Hind Copper, all of these did pretty well for Nifty metal today. Realty, IT, Energy, Nifty Bank, FMCG, Auto, Pharma, all of these indices have ended the day in the green. However, Nifty Media and Nifty PSU Bank are your two indices that have flipped on to the red side, and Nifty PSU Bank also 0.5% in pressure today. Dragged by Bank of India, Union Bank, IOB, Maharashtra Bank, all of those stocks led to a Nifty PSU Bank being 0.5% lower as of now. But let's quickly shift focus, take a look at all the important stocks to talk about in today's trade. The big buzzers today, you had Honasa that saw stellar double-digit gains today, but simmered down a little bit, and as of now gaining with 7% higher. Now, PTC Industries has been locked in upper circuit throughout today on the back of that hot rolling mill acquisition. Another stock in upper circuit today, 5%, was Zentech because they've announced to raise 1,000 crores via QIP. However, on the flip side, you did have Zydus Life today that was down 6% despite the news of acquisition of Perfect Day. Max Estate, however, was up 6%. NCLT has approved that resolution plan of Delhi 1. Religare was a stock that did not do very well today, down 4% on that index as well as the ED raided the homes of the top management. Transport Corp of India up 1.3%. You had Shilpa Medicare that did pretty well today, up 4.5% on the completion of their new clinical trial phase. On the back of order wins too, some stocks were in focus today. You had KEC International, that stock did pretty well on the back of bagging an order worth 1,079 crores. Ashoka Bilcon was the lowest bidder for another order of 478 crores. So Ashoka Bilcon also did pretty well in today's trade. However, these stocks have ended towards the flatter side, but with a slight positive bias. JSW Energy was also in focus today on the back of an order win coming in for that company. On the brokerage side, then you had Bansal Wires that was up 5% after Investec initiated a buy, target price of 440 rupees. Emcure Pharma also did pretty well today. Jefferies initiated a buy with a target of 1,600 rupees. However, on the flip side, you had a Nomura note coming in on Apollo Hospitals where they've downgraded the stock to neutral from a buy, have hiked the target price, but that stock has ended the day with a 1% cut coming in. BHEL also on the back of order win, that stock was a buzz but has ended on a flat note. But well, yes, that's what the market breadth looked like, and that is what we're shutting shop with. 25,010. We've managed to close above the 25,000 mark today for the Nifty. Let's see and let's hope if we can scale a new fresh high tomorrow.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.